Hey guys, what's up? This is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you out there. I must say that I adore and love every one of you. So thank you so much for the constant love and support. It really means a lot. Those compliments that you give me and those words of appreciation just motivate me so much every single day. So thank you so much for it. I really hope that you have an amazing day which is filled with happiness and love, and just spend it with your loved ones as well. And that doesn't necessarily have to be a girlfriend or a boyfriend. It can be your parents, it can be any of your family members or just your friends as well. Just have a great time with them and tell them how much you appreciate them in your life and love them as well. Not just on that particular day, but maybe every single day. Let them know how much you actually care about them. That is what Valentine's Day is all about, and today I thought that I should share with you guys a really simple and minimalistic Valentine's Day makeup look. This, as I mentioned, is really affordable. You can get the whole look under Rs.500 to 600 depending on what products you are choosing from this particular video, and it's really affordable as I mentioned. So I really hope you enjoy this as well, and yeah, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, then please hit that red subscribe button. Maybe for Valentine's Day, get it? Like red for Valentine's, red for subscribe. Really cheesy. But yeah, please hit that button, and next to it there's a bell icon. Click on that so that you get notified with everything that's coming up on this channel. And yeah, let's get started. Before we begin, I would just like to mention that do whatever is just comfortable with you on that particular day, because you do not want to experiment too much. So if you think that you're good with eye makeup, then do like a nice eye makeup look which will look really pretty, like a bronzy eye makeup look or a smoky makeup look if you're comfortable with that. Or if you think that you are more comfortable with a red lip or a bold lip and you can pull that off, then go for that look. But again, keep it really simple, and whatever suits you and whatever is in your comfort zone, do that only. Do not try to experiment too much. Now let's begin. So first I'm actually just going to accentuate my eyes. For that, obviously you have to use eyeshadow. So I found this eyeshadow quad which is really inexpensive. So this retails for 125 rupees only, and this is the Blue Heaven eyeshadow quad which looks like this. Obviously I'm going to list everything in the description box for you guys if you really want to purchase any of these items. And it comes with an applicator as well. I'm not going to use any sort of makeup brushes specifically in this makeup tutorial. I'm going to keep it really simple and affordable for you guys. So you can either use your fingers or you can use the applicator that comes with this eyeshadow. So these are the colors that you get in this particular eyeshadow quad, and as you can see, there are a lot of looks that you can do with this. You can use these kind of shades as highlighters as well, and these bold colors you can use all over your lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this light color and apply it all over my lid. Then I'm going to take this purple shade right here and just use it on the outer corner of my eye. So as you can see that I've kept this look really minimalistic. Now I'm just going to take this Lakme Kajal which looks something like this, and this also retails for only 70 rupees. So again, this is really affordable. Now I'm just going to take this Kajal again and apply it on my lid. If you want, you can just smoke it out a bit. Now next I'm just going to apply some mascara, and this is the Blue Heaven mascara, and this retails for 125 rupees, and this is what it looks like. Next I'm going to take this Elle Colourpop's matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Kiss, and again this retails for only 100 rupees. So I'm just going to apply this on my lips as well as my cheeks. This is actually a really pretty pink color, and it's going to suit so many skin tones as well. And again, the formula on this is really nice. As you can see, the color payoff is also really good, and it's very moisturizing as well. So if you are someone who does not like wearing a lot of makeup and you just want to keep it really simple and minimalistic, then you can just do this much and you'll be good to go. But if you want some coverage on that particular day and you are comfortable with wearing foundation, Then you can go for this one, which is the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. This has SPF of 8 in it, and this also is really inexpensive. This retails for only 250 rupees, and I've got the shade 02, and this is what it looks like. Or if you do not like using foundations and you want to keep it really simple, then you can obviously go for this, which is the Maybelline White Superfresh compact powder, and this is what it looks like. Again, this has SPF of 28 in it, and this is really inexpensive. It retails for only 175 rupees. And I've got the shade Shell, which is suitable for medium to wheatish skin tones. So I'm just going to use both of these products and show you guys how to use it, but again, it's up to you if you want to use these or not. And again, I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it into my skin. I'm applying a really light layer. So this is how your face should look like once you're done applying the foundation. Now I'm going to take the lipstick again, because obviously it's a cream formula. So I'm going to take the lipstick and just apply it on my cheeks as blush. Now I'll be taking this Maybelline compact powder and I'll just set my T-zone area, because that is where I tend to get oily. But again, if you're not using the foundation, then you can directly go to this particular step. So it comes with a puff, so I'm just going to take it and then apply it on my T-zone right here. I'm just going to give you one more tip. So if you really want to just intensify the eye look even more, then what you can do is just take this Kajal again and then apply it on the outer corner of your eye like this. And then just smudge it a bit. So yeah guys, this is the final result, and this is how my makeup turned out to be. As you saw that it was really simple to do, and obviously it was really inexpensive as well. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All the handles are mentioned on the screen. And last but definitely not the least, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right now so that you get updated with all of the new videos that are coming up on my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Love you.